Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I'm here with another preset pack. This preset pack contains 10 presets you can use with Photoshop Camera Raw. This preset pack allows to create a gorgeous light blush tone with hints of warm gold radiance across all your photos for the dreamy look so popular on Instagram right now. This works absolutely well for a variety of images, great for portraits, fashion, lifestyle and bloggers. So let's get started. At first you have to download the presets and then load it into Camera Raw Photoshop. Okay, this is our image, example image, and then go to Camera Raw filter and you will find here the load setting option. Click here and load your presets. I have already loaded it, so let's go there. This is our presets. Now let's check. And this is the before and this is the after. It looks good, I think. This is good. Wow, it's fine, I think. Okay, let's take another one. Wow, that's good. This is fine. This is the before and this is the after. That's good, I think it looks perfect. And okay, we'll try with this. Yeah, it looks good. This is the before and after. Okay, let's try with this. That's good. Yeah, it looks good. Give you a little bit brownish look and wow, it looks pretty. Let's try with this. That's good, I think. This will give a moody brownish look. I hope these presets will help you to save your time, and if you like this video, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.